Welcome CSC103 to exercise 5A for the time challenged. So if you were confused by the other video that I had, here's a brand new video. I'll go through it real quick. So hopefully we'll just skip anything that's confusing and just get it done. So if anybody's struggling with 5A, and I'll do one for 5B too, but let's go and do 5A. So I'm going to go down to 5A. And when you go on the assignment, you're going to go to this link. You don't even have to read any of this for now. Just go here and click on this. And close that. We don't want that. Close that. We don't want that. And we have this here. Now, yours might not look like this. This might be in colors. Whatever's here, delete it. Boom, delete it. Nothing. We have nothing there. And then what you want to do is go up here, change this to 4. 4. 4. And 4 bits per pixel. This one goes longer. These are short. This one goes longer. So that's the number 4, 3 times. 4, 4, 4. That's 4, 4, 4. It has 4 zeros in front. Typically, they're not needed, but if you take them out, they don't seem to work. So leave those there. So use those sliders. And then you're just going to put the numbers 0 through 15 in binary. Now, I have a video on binary numbers, but just in case you don't, I'm going to go down here and just start typing numbers. And I'm going to do 0, 1, 2, 3. Those are the first 4 numbers, because remember, computers start at 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 is 4 zeros. And then I'll do a space. And then the number 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. And then a space. Now the number 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. That's the number 2. And then finally 0, 0, 0, 1. Remember, odd numbers always end in 1. So this is 0. Wait, that's 1. This is 3. I'm sorry. There's 3. 0, 1, 2, and 3. And again, go watch the video on binary if you're not sure, because remember, this is 1 in the 1's place and 1 in the 2's place is the number 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So now coming up, we're going to have 4 through 7. So 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. That's the number 4. That's the same number that's here, then a space. And then the number 5. It's going to be just like 4, except it's going to have a 1 at the end. 0, 1, 0, 1. And then a space. And then the number 6 is going to be 0, 1, 1, 0, because that would be 1, 4 and 1, 2. That would be the number 6. And number 7 would be just like this with a 1 at the end. So I'll go 0, 1, 1, 1. So that's the number 7. It has a 4, a 2, and a 1. That's the number 7. So those are 2 rows, 2 more to go. So we now have 8, 9, 10, 11, 8 through 11. So the number 8, this is easy. There's 1 8 and there's nothing else. And then the number 9, this is easy. There's 1 8 and then there's nothing but a 1. And then there's the number 10, and then 10 is going to have an 8, no 4s. It's going to have a 2 and a 0. So that's the number 10. And then finally 11 is going to be just like that with a 1 at the end. So it's going to be 1 0 1 and then a 1. 1 8, no 4s, 1 2 and a 1. That's 11. So those are 3 rows. And then finally the last row is going to be 12, 13, 14, 15. Remember, it goes 0 through 15. There's 16 total. So this would be 12, 13, 14, 15. This would be 12. So this would be an even number. 0, because these are all even. 0, 4, 8, and this one is going to start at 12. So we're going to have 1, 1, 0, 0. That's 12. 8 and 4 is 12. Then 13, 8 and 4, and then a 1 at the end. And then we have 14, which is going to be 8 and 4, which is 12, and 2. And then a 0. That's 14. And then finally the last one, this is easy, space, all 1s. 1, 1, 1, 1. Because remember, in 4-bit, there's an 8, a 4, a 2, and a 1 that adds up to 15. So we have, that's what we have. That's all you need. That's all you have to do for this assignment. Now to turn it in, you can take a screenshot. If you're on a Mac, you could do Shift-Command-4, and it'll make a file. Just draw a box around it. Here, I'll do it. Shift-Command-4. I think I could do this while I'm recording. Just make a screenshot like that, and there it is. It's saved down there. It gets saved on your desktop, and you can upload that into the comment. Upload it as an image. It should be on your desktop. If you work on Windows, you should be able to use the snipping tool and make a screenshot that you can save. If you don't know how to do that, take a picture of it with your phone. You could do that. Or, at the very least, if you can't do any of that, I'm going to go here and copy this. If you can't do any of that, just copy your code. Copy this and go back to coursework. And then when you turn it in, just go to Add Comment and paste it. That's it. Paste your code there. If you can't do anything else, do that. And if you do want to upload an image, you're just going to go here to upload image, and you're going to hit the insert file and go to upload. And then I'm going to go to my desktop because I just made a screenshot. And let's see where it is. Is this it? No. That's it. That's the one I just did, I think. Let me see. Yeah, that's the one I just did. So there's my screenshot. And I'll just hit open and insert. And it doesn't have to be this big. Make it real small. Make it like, 400 or something. It doesn't have to be that big. And there it is. And you can even make it smaller. So that way I have that. So normally you could just put your screenshot in there, but if you have any problem, just copy your code and put it in there. And then hit save. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So hopefully that shouldn't be that confusing to do that. So you're just counting up in binary, 0 through 15, you're putting it in there, and you're seeing a visual representation of it. So that's 5A. Hopefully that was less confusing than the first video. If it's more confusing, let me know.